Hello guys, let's go live on your Facebook page. If you want to go live on your Facebook page, you must meet these two criteria. First is your profile must be at least 60 days old, and secondly, you must have at least 100 followers. Now to begin, open the Facebook app on your device. You tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you tap the three dots beside your profile. Then you tap on your Facebook page to switch over to it. Once you are in the page profile, tap on What's on Your Mind button at the top of the screen, or you click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. In the What's on Your Mind section, locate and tap on Live Video. Here, you can go live, say something about your live videos, and at the bottom right corner of the live video page, you can tap the three horizontal lines to customize or add settings to your video. You can add a location, bring a friend, and add polls and so on. Once you're satisfied with the settings, you tap the Go Live button at the bottom of the screen to start your live video. And once you're done, you click on End Live Video. You can view the posts. You can also create a clips from your videos. That's it, guys. You have successfully gone live on your Facebook page. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more useful content like this, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.